After 2 weeks of rising Hyprland, I finally do have a setup that's worth looking at. So this is right here is Hyprland on Fedora 44 SWI edition, and we have a clean wallpaper, a waybar at the top, and a Rofi launcher and a Rofi power menu. I can apply wallpaper themes to the Hyprland window, the waybar, and the Rofi. The waybar, I can hide it and bring back the waybar. That's what I have currently. I'm still modifying, and I'll be applying more features and I'll be sharing as we move on.